The Mercedes-Benz GLE SUV is designed to be the perfect middle ground: luxury, space, and everyday usability. On paper, it checks almost every box. But once you look closer, the story becomes more balanced. Let's start with what it does well. The cabin is where the GLE really shines. Mercedes delivers a premium interior with high-quality materials, soft leather, ambient lighting, and a sleek dual-screen setup. The infotainment system is modern, responsive, and packed with features. Space is another big advantage. There's generous legroom and headroom in both the front and rear seats, making it comfortable for families and long drives. Ride comfort is excellent. The suspension absorbs bumps smoothly, especially if you opt for the air suspension, which adds an extra layer of refinement. On highways, the GLE feels stable, quiet, and effortless to drive. Engine options are also strong. From efficient 4-cylinder models to powerful 6-cylinder and AMG variants, there's something for everyone. The mild hybrid system helps improve efficiency and gives a slight boost in acceleration when needed. Now, let's talk about the problems. One of the biggest complaints is reliability, especially with electronics. The MBUX infotainment system, while impressive, can sometimes lag, freeze, or glitch. Owners have reported issues with screens going blank, sensors malfunctioning, and random warning messages appearing. Build quality is another mixed point. While the interior looks luxurious, some users have noticed rattles, squeaks, and trim pieces that don't feel as solid over time. For a car in this price range, expectations are higher. Fuel economy is also not great, especially in larger engine variants. Even with hybrid assistance, real-world consumption can be higher than expected. Then there's the price, and it climbs quickly. The base model may seem reasonable, but once you add options like air suspension, premium sound systems, driver assistance packages, and upgraded interiors, the cost increases significantly. Another downside is complexity. The GLE is packed with technology, and while that sounds great, it also means more potential for things to go wrong, and higher maintenance costs outside warranty. Finally, third-row seating, if equipped, is tight. It's usable for kids, but not comfortable for adults on longer trips. Here's the honest truth. The Mercedes-Benz GLE is luxurious, comfortable, and highly capable. But it's also complex, expensive to maintain, and not as reliable as some competitors. It's a great SUV, but not a flawless one.